Hello, welcome to this 20-minute yoga class. My name is Francis, and I'll be guiding you through a well-rounded practice today. No, Shelly is not joining with us today. Find a quiet space where you can move freely and comfortably, whether it's in your home or outdoors like me. I love doing yoga in nature. So grab your mat and let's begin. Now take a moment to settle into a comfortable seated position. I invite you to close your eyes, bring your hands to your heart center, connecting to your breath and setting an intention for your practice today. Let it be a moment of gratitude, embracing the strength and beauty that resides within you. Let's start by connecting to our breath. Take a deep inhale through the nose, filling up your belly, and exhale slowly through the mouth, releasing any tension or distractions. Inhale deeply once again, and as you exhale, let go of any stress or busyness from your day. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. We're gonna move into some gentle warm-up movements to awaken our bodies. Come to tabletop position on your hands and knees, allowing your wrist under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale, arch your spine and lift your chest into cow pose, gazing upward. Exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin towards your chest, and draw your navel towards your spine in cat pose. Continue moving with your breath, flowing between these two poses, warming up your spine and bringing awareness to your body. Remember to move at your own pace and listen to any signals your body is sending you. If something doesn't feel right, honor that and make the necessary adjustments. Always remember, your practice is unique to you, so embrace the freedom to modify as needed. From tabletop position, sit back on your heels and slowly lower your forehead towards the mat. You can extend your arms forward or rest them alongside your body. Find comfort and surrender in this gentle resting pose, allowing your breath to deepen and tensions to melt away. From child pose, now tuck your toes, lift your knees off the mat, and press your hips up and back, coming into downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide, press your palms into the mat, and lengthen your spine. Pedal your feet to warm up your calves and hamstrings. Feel the stretch and release in the back of your body. If straightening your legs is challenging for you, feel free to modify by bending your knees slightly or finding support with blocks. It's important to honor your body's needs and find variation that work for you. Now slowly walk your feet to meet your hands. Root to rise, coming into mountain pose at the top of your mat. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, grounding down through the four corners of your feet. Lengthen your spine. Roll your shoulders back and down, and find a sense of strength and stability in your body. Take a deep breath in, feeling rooted like a mountain, connected to the earth beneath you. Let's move into our Sun Salutation A, Surya Namaskar A. This flowing sequence will help to build strength, flexibility, and connection to the breath. We'll move through the sequence 2 times, linking breath with movement. The first time through, we move at a slower pace, so you get comfortable with each posture. The second time through, we move at a faster pace and more fluidly. We'll begin in mountain pose. You can put your feet together to touch, or keep them hip-width apart, grounding down through the four corners of your feet. Engage your thighs, lift your kneecaps, and lengthen your tailbone toward the floor. Roll your shoulders back and down one more time, opening your chest. Bring your palms together at your heart center. Inhale, raise your arms overhead, palms together to touch or facing each other. Keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Lift your gaze towards your thumbs if your neck feels okay, lengthening through your fingertips. Feel the stretch in your side body and the expansion of your breath. Find strength and reach through your arms. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Hinge forward from your hips, keeping your spine long. Bend your knees as much as needed to bring your hands to the mat or rest them on your shins. Allow your head and neck to relax. Feel the gentle stretch in the back of your legs and lower back. Inhale, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Lift your torso halfway up, bringing your hands to your shins or thighs. Lengthen your spine, finding a flat back position. Keeping the back of your neck long, engage your core to support your spine. Exhale, high plank pose. Step or walk your feet back, bringing your body into a straight line from head to heels. Your wrists should be directly under your shoulders, and your fingers spread wide for stability. Engage your core. Draw your navel toward your spine. Maintain a strong, steady breath. Inhale, hold for plank. Exhale, bend your elbows and keep your elbows in line with your shoulders. Lower your knees, chest, and chin down to the mat with control. Keep your core engaged. Inhale, press through your hands and lift your heart, either straightening your arms and lift your thighs off the mat coming into upper facing dog, or keep your arms bent and thighs stay on the mat for cobra. Choose the variation that suits your body and allows you to experience a gentle back bend. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Spread your fingers wide and press your palms into the mat. Find length in your spine, pressing your heels towards the ground. You can keep your heels slightly lifted if necessary, focusing on the lengthening of your spine and the engagement of your core. Inhale, bend your knees, gaze forward, and step or walk your feet to the top of the mat for Ardha Uttanasana. Lengthen your spine once again, finding a gentle stretch in your torso. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Release any remaining tension. Allow your body to relax and surrender, finding a sense of letting go and grounding. Inhale, slowly rise up and reach your arms overhead, palms facing each other or to touch. As you rise up, feel a sense of renewal and gratitude within yourself. You did a great job. Let's now move through Sun Salutation A one more time more fluidly, linking your breath with movement. Mountain pose. Stand tall, palms together at your heart center. Inhale, raise your arms overhead. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Releasing your hands towards the ground or resting them on your shin. Inhale, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Lengthen your spine forward, finding a flat back. Exhale, step or walk your feet back for plank pose. Inhale, hold for plank. Exhale, lower your knee, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, press through your hands and lift your heart for upper facing dog or cobra. Exhale, lift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide, root through your hands and feet. Take a moment here to breathe and feel the energy circulating through your body. If you need to rest, you can lower your knees to the mat, coming into child's pose, honoring your need for self-care and restoration. Now look forward, step or jump your feet to the top of the mat. Halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana, lengthen your spine. Exhale, hinge at your hips, forward fold, melting down to your mat. Relax your head and neck, allowing your upper body to release any tension. Inhale, slowly root to rise and reach your arms overhead. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart center, Samasthihi, mountain pose. Now that we are warmed up, let's move into some standing poses to continue building strength and stability. Step your left foot back, turning it slightly outwards. Bend your right knee, keeping it stacked over your ankle. Extend your arms out to the sides, parallel to the floor, palms facing down. Ground down through your feet. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Gaze over your front hand, embracing the power and confidence of a warrior. Hold this for 3, 2, last breath. Slowly straighten your right leg and reach your right hand forward, lowering down to place it on your shin, ankle, or a block for triangle pose. Extend your left arm up towards the sky, aligning your shoulders. Engage your core and lengthen through both sides of your waist. Allow your gaze to follow your top hand, feeling the stretch and opening in your side body. Trikonasana. When you are ready, slowly come up. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Now step your right foot back, turning it slightly outwards. Bend your left knee, keeping it stacked above your ankle. You know where we are going. Extend your arms out to T, palms facing down. Feeling the strength and stability in your legs. Gaze over your left hand. Hold this pose for several breaths. Warrior 2. Slowly try to straighten your left leg and reach your left hand forward. Until you cannot reach more, then lowering down, place it on your shin, ankle, or block. Extend your right arm up towards the sky. Align your shoulders. Lengthen through both sides of your waist. Feeling the stretch and opening in your side body. Triangle pose. Slowly come back up. Bring your feet together to touch. Let's begin to cool down and prepare for our final relaxation. Now find your way to lie down on your back. Bend your knees and place your feet hip-width apart on the mat. Press your feet down and lift your hips off the mat, engaging your glutes and thighs. Interlace your fingers underneath your body and gently roll your shoulders back, opening your chest. Breathe deeply. Feeling a gentle stretch in your front body, hold this pose for 3 breaths. embracing the sense of openness and vulnerability that nature offers. Slowly release. Lie on your back, hug your knees into your chest, and then let them fall over to the right side. Extend your arms out to the sides, palms facing up. Gently turn your head to the left, allowing your gaze to soften. Feel the gentle twist in your spine, releasing tension and promoting relaxation. Breathe. Switch side. Gently bring your knees to the left side. Palms facing up. Turn your head to the right. Allow your gaze to soften. Allow yourself to surrender and find peace. As we come to the end of our practice, extend your legs out long on the mat, allowing your feet to fall open naturally. It's time to enter into Shavasana, the final resting pose. Shavasana is a sacred time for integration and surrender. It is a gift we give ourselves to rest, restore, and soak in the benefits of our practice. As you settle into stillness, allow your body to soften, releasing any tension or holding. Feel the support of the earth beneath you, as if it is cradling you in its embrace. Take a moment to reflect on your practice, whether this is your first yoga class or you've been practicing for a while. Acknowledge your effort and dedication to showing up on your mat today. Recognize the strength and resilience within you, knowing that you have the power to navigate life challenges with grace. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath, a reminder of the life force that flows within you. With each exhale, release any tension or stress, allowing your body to deeply relax and unwind. Trust that you have given yourself the gift of self-care and nourishment. As you lie here, remember that the benefits of your practice extend beyond the physical. Yoga is a path of self-discovery, healing, and transformation. Carry the essence of your practice with you as you step back into the world, bringing the qualities of mindfulness, compassion, and inner strength into your daily life. When you feel ready, slowly begin to deepen your breath, gently awakening your body with smooth movements. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your wrists and ankles. Take your time as you transition back to a seated position, bringing your hands to your heart center. Thank you for joining me today. May you carry the light of this experience with you, radiating love, compassion, and inner peace into the world around you. Take this feeling of harmony and carry it throughout your day. Namaste.